Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today's victim is a 8-track radio out of a 1976 Buick Electra Limited. This comes from Dan in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Thank you so much, Dan, for your business from clear across the country. Dan has requested the modern internal conversion with the Bluetooth and USB features, and so we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, kind of a departure from my usual thing. We get one strong AM station in my area,
and he's the part of it.
And there it is. And then we get 2 weak stations towards the end of the dial. Okay, well those stations.
On a positive.
There we go. And then two. I have a habit of turning the dial too fast, so I pass over some stations once in a while. Okay, let's go to FM. And I've just got all the presets set to stations in my area, so we'll run through those.
Don't want to miss it. We'll be right back with more.
Okay, I'm keeping the songs very short, of course, to escape copyright issues. So let's see if we can find some kind of talk radio, or at least something that. There we go. We're going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. As you can see, we've got all 4 speakers working right now. We're going to activate our virtual left-right balance control. We do that. On this radio, we turn the tone control all the way down, and then we give it 2 turns to the right.
Fader adjust.
That was my mistake. That's actually the fader adjustment that we're doing. So now we're adjusting the front rear speaker balance with the same control. Okay, going to let that time out. Okay, now we're going to adjust the left-right balance. Same procedure, except we rotate our control twice to the left. So this time we're going to start from the center position and rotate it twice to the left. Okay, and so now we can use the same control to adjust our left-right balance. Okay. Got that singer. Now, one thing I'll mention is each radio's, as far as the virtual balance and fader functions, each radio is going to be a little bit different, and you just have to find that spot in the control that has the most effect. For instance, on this radio, we cannot activate the virtual functions anywhere between center and all the way up. As you can see, it doesn't do anything. But now we'll turn it all the way. Now we'll turn the tone control all the way down and take it from there to center to activate it. Oh, didn't quite do it. Okay, we'll try it one more time. It can be kind of touchy. There we go. So it just takes a little practice and to develop the touch for your particular radio. So we can see that the balance and fader functions are working. Let's go ahead and let's put the Bluetooth in the pairing mode. We do that by giving our volume control 2 turns to the right.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, and as you can see, the lady comes on saying Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. And as you probably know by now, I don't do all that on the demonstration videos. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode. That way we know it works. And so now let's try the USB. The lady will come back on 90 seconds later saying pairing not completed. We'll plug I've got my radio commercial on this USB stick. Just plug it in real quick, make sure it plays. Okay, unplug the stick, radio comes back, and now we're going to play an 8-track tape. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. make sure we got all 4 speakers, just real quick. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then we do have an eject button. Just lightly press this one, and that'll knock the tape out for you. And that takes care of it. Everything's ready to go. I'm ready to get on to the next job. And let me see if I can find myself. There's myself. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And you've just seen what I can do. Well, there's probably not a lot of noticeable difference since the radio is already AM-FM, but now it has Bluetooth and USB. A heck of a lot more output power that you can't tell over a set of computer speakers, but that is an upcoming video where I demonstrate the difference in output power between an original and a converted radio. So, my website is in the description below. My phone number, and this is for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. This is not a number to call looking for a belt or free repair advice. Those are not available here. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thanks to you, Dan, for your business, and we'll see you guys next time.